You will never have a loyal partner until you realize this. If someone wants you in their life, they would do anything to keep you in. And if they don't want you in their life, absolutely nothing you do or say would change their mind. When two people truly care for each other, they always find a way to make it work, no matter how hard it is. The sad truth is that so many people are in love, but not together. And so many people are together. True love is when you don't know why you're attracted to that person. The past cannot be changed, edited, or erased. It can only be accepted. If you love somebody, let them go. For if they return, they were always yours. If they don't, they never were. If you want to grow every day, this is the right time to join us on our journey to achieve greatness.